Hello there, and thanks for clicking on the Weather Ranger Regional Northeast Update, including the city of Philadelphia. Let's get right down to business here, as right now we're in the calm before the storm, before this snow event heads into our area on Thursday night into Friday. So there is a good chance for some school cancellations on Friday morning, since some of the region will be seeing 6 to 9 inches of snow, and we will get into that here. Let's take a look at your details. Taking a look at the current infrared enhanced satellite imagery, we have a wave disturbance here over the central Great Plains and also moving into the Midwest. And we can also see the southern stream of the jet stream right here. This is some moisture moving up from the Gulf of Mexico, and this is the energy that's coming out of the polar regions and the northern branch of the jet stream that will combine right here off the coast, and this will bring us our storm Thursday night into Friday. Take a look at some of this cold ground up here just around the Hudson Bay. This is normally sub-zero cloud tops. Over here, look at this color scale, anywhere between minus 30 and minus 40 degrees Celsius. And this is actually the ground that it's painting right here. So it is cold up in Canada, and this air will be spilling into the northeast as this system exits off into the North Atlantic and wraps in the air, this cold air behind it. Taking a look at the current observations, we have 37 at the International Airport, 29 at Allentown, and 32 at Harrisburg, 34 in New York City, and 43 down in the district. Some clear to partly cloudy skies across the mid-Atlantic down here, and also up in New England we have some calm winds and some cold temperatures, 15 right now in Concord, 15 up in Portland with partly cloudy skies. Probably see the stars up here, but here comes all the clouds, and here comes this disturbance out in Chicago, 21 degrees and light snow. And also at Madison, 7 degrees with light snow out here, as this system will head in to the region from Thursday night into Friday. It'll head down south like this and then spin up like this and then finally head out to sea. We have mostly in the 30s to 40s across the region right now, colder up in the mountains in the 20s, and also in the teens as you go up into New York State, and always colder up in New England in the wintertime in northern New England. Not a big surprise there. Anywhere between 50 and 60 degrees right down here in Virginia and down in the North Carolina region. Here comes some of the snow with this disturbance in the northern branch of the jet stream that's going to combine with the southern moisture and give us our storm. This isn't the storm yet. This is just a piece of energy that's associated with the storm. So currently snowing across the Pennsylvania-New York border and across the Great Lakes and back into Chicago. So this is just proof that the storm is going to come, because here's the first piece of energy that's going to be moving through the area in this active winter weather pattern that we have right now. Looking at temperatures, overnight low. This is the NAM model. This is high resolution. And as we go into Thursday morning, we're looking at temperatures anywhere in 28 degrees out here in the suburbs to the freezing mark across the city, and a lot of snow up to the north along the Pennsylvania-New York State border. And we're going to take it into your Friday, or excuse me, Thursday. The high temperatures might reach 40 tomorrow, maybe not. 40 degrees might top out at, but then after that, the temperatures drop as the storm moves in, and it is going to move in anytime between 5 and 9 p.m. I want to say after 7 o'clock at night. 7 o'clock is when the snow starts to fall Thursday night, and then once it does start to fall, it can be heavy at times. In fact, we have a nice band of snow, focus on this panel down here, across Chester County and Delaware County, and the heaviest snow will be in the southeast part of the United States, excuse me, the southeastern part of the state of Pennsylvania, and also the not so heavy snows will happen up in the mountains here, and then there's another band up here. This is from system moving through tonight, but this is from the storm on Thursday into Friday morning. Temperatures, let's take it back here. Let's put this model in motion. Temperatures on Friday morning will be in the 20s and probably even go down to the teens as the day progresses after this storm here moves out to sea. And the bottom just drops out Friday night into Saturday morning. Saturday morning, 7 o'clock p.m., we have -4 across the southeastern part of the state here. We have a little slice of zero, although I think this could be just a model glitch. And we're looking at -2 to -4 here on Saturday. And for the Eagles kickoff on Saturday, we're going to be looking at probably a lot colder than 22 degrees, this is off. We're going to be looking at the single digits probably for the Eagles kickoff. And then Saturday night, it gets back down into the single digits, if not zero. So it's going to be cold here over the next couple of days, next few days, I should say, after this storm system dumps its snow and then moves. Speaking of which, here is your forecasted Weather Ranger Philadelphia snowfall totals for the region across the city and up into Doylestown, also Delaware County and portions of Chester and Montgomery County. We're expecting anywhere from 6 to 9 inches to fall, probably closer to the 6-inch range. And then anywhere else outside of the extreme southeastern corner of Pennsylvania, we're expecting 3 to 6. So Pottstown, Quakertown, Allentown, Phoenixville, Lancaster, and Reading, and any of the Poconos won't see as much as the southeastern corner of the United States. So enjoy the snow that's coming on Thursday night into Friday. As always, thank you for choosing Weather Ranger for your premier source for accurate and reliable forecasts. And visit weatherranger.com and sign up for a free trial, because we will be heading over there, the Philadelphia page, and we will be available only by login only and by subscription. So make sure you get on over there and get going on this for something very new and exciting. So the snow on Thursday night into Friday begins after 7 p.m. Thursday into Friday morning. You're going to want to pay attention for school cancellations, especially in the southeastern part of the state, because they will be likely. We have something else following on Monday. Check into the national discussion. We're going to go update that. Have a good day. Thank you.